that's full of oil. And it's just trapped. That's all it right there. We can throw a whole bunch. I want to get that big blob right there. I want to pour that other shit in that bucket. And I want to grab that big blob. Don't let it go, Eric. Let it go.
If I
Take it out of here.
pull too hard, it's going to go underneath it.
Tell me what I want to do?
Yeah.
I'm going to get it right here. So what I want to do is I want to keep getting this. I want to pour it in here. Right there. See how it's hanging onto that bag? Right? Throw a whole bunch of it at it.
You got it, Dad. Go ahead.
You filming that, Toby?
Yep.
Right, moving on to this? Alright. One more time.
Steadily throwing Earthbond in between the, making a big old ball of encapsulated oil that was caught by the boom, just us dragging it in a 21-foot boat, 20-foot length. There's some more on it, Dad.
This is a great big chunk. Alright, I need something to put in.
Hey, Ray.
Right, take one of that.
That's true. Can you roll a little bit more to you like a dough? There you go.
Break it up. Ready? Ready. Alright, let me get that other. I got it.
I went under.
Now this is all. There's no water in it, you can see. I just don't have any more room in the street. I need a bag. Yeah, where's the t-shirt?
You probably.
I swear to God. Right?
Alright, I'm off camera. Hold on, I'm off camera.
That's all.
No, I'm on.